Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to build an online income, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my 3-step process for you as a beginner to get started straight away. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Now, if it is your first time here, my name is Christos and I like to talk about different ways which you can make money online. So if that's something that you're into, then consider subscribing. I'm going to take a rough guess that most people watching this video do have a rough idea about what exactly affiliate marketing is. However, if you don't, basically affiliate marketing is the process of advertising somebody else's product or recommending somebody else's product, and if the customer was to purchase that product on your behalf, then you will receive a commission for it. And if you actually think about it, we have actually been doing affiliate marketing without even knowing about it all of our lives. And the reason why I say that is if you have ever, let's say, suggested a family member or a friend to go to a restaurant to go and eat, and they actually went there on the back of your recommendation, you have technically done some affiliate marketing. You have promoted that restaurant to a friend, and then they have gone and spent money at that restaurant. The only difference is you wouldn't have been paid by that restaurant for that recommendation, and that's where I come in, and I'm going to be teaching you my 3-step process on how you can start making money by recommending products. And like always on this channel, it's going to be as transparent and honest as it possibly can. It's going to be the way that I went about it when starting my affiliate marketing business. It may not be the way that all the gurus are telling you online, but it's the way that's worked for me, and that's the way that I've based my entire channel. So if you're still with me, let's get into the process. Now, the first thing that you are going to need to do before you even think about starting an affiliate marketing business is you're going to need to think about what niche you want to start promoting products in. Now, a lot of the YouTube gurus actually tell you should start looking at products you want to promote first, and I don't completely agree with that, because I think you should be picking, number one, a niche that you're passionate about and a niche that you're extremely knowledgeable about, and not promoting products that you don't actually use or you've at least tried. And if you go down picking a product first, you're going to start rearing towards the products that pay the most commissions, and I don't think that's authentic to your audience, and we'll get into that in a second. And if you're sitting there thinking, I've actually found a niche, but I don't think there is actually any affiliate products that I can even promote for this niche, do not worry, you will be completely surprised. There is pretty much affiliate programs, affiliate products for almost everything. Now, step number 2, after you've picked your niche, is now when you need to go and find what affiliate products you want to promote for that niche. And this is really, really simple. All it really takes is a simple Google search. Just Google search some products that you love using every single day in your niche, or services that you use in your niche every single day. And I can almost guarantee you, if you were to go to their website and go to the bottom, most of the time there will be a link talking about affiliates. If you have no luck with that at the start, a really good place I recommend starting for beginners is actually Amazon affiliates. Now, you can promote any product on Amazon and receive an affiliate income from it. Now, as Amazon is an extremely popular website, in fact probably the #1 shopping website in the world, their affiliate commissions are typically really low, so you're not going to expect to earn a massive amount, but it's a really good start just to get your feet wet in the affiliate marketing game. Another really good website that does actually pay a lot higher commissions, and they have a lot of products that you can find on there, is a program called Click Junction, or CJ Affiliates. And this is one that I've used a lot in the past as well, especially when I was doing my web hosting business, when I was a web developer and I was recommending hosting services to my clients. I was always using that through Click Junction, and I was getting around £50 for every single client that signed up through hosting that I had recommended, and that's a recurring payment of £50 every single year for every single affiliate that I signed up. So it's really worth trying to sign up to that. I'll post all of the links to the Amazon affiliates and Click Junction and a couple of others down in the description below if you want to go and check them out. And just as a quick bonus tip, I did mention this in step number 1, you want to really be trying to find products that you have actually used or tried yourself. This will just make the process of actually talking about them and recommending them, number 1, a lot easier, and number 2, your audience will be able to see how transparent and honest you are, because they can actually physically see you using those products. But yeah, that's basically step number 2. You want to be going through Google and finding all of your affiliate partners, applying for all of the affiliate programs you want to apply for. I really recommend creating some sort of Google sheet or maybe Excel sheet of all of the places that you've applied for to see if you've been accepted or not. And just it's a good place to have everything at once because you can know what products that you've actually got to promote when it actually comes to promoting them. Now we've got to step number 3, and this is probably the step that most people fall over. They've found their niche that they want to talk about. They found the products that they want to promote, but now step number 3 is actually going ahead and promoting those products. And this is the hardest step by a country mile. And the reason why it is the hardest part about it, and the reason why people do give up maybe, let's say, after a couple of months or so, is because you have to take the time to build an audience around your niche. And there's a couple of ways that you can do it. Number 1, you can create a blog. You could do a blog. Let's use an example of travel and going on holiday. So you could create a travel blog reviewing different places that you've been on holiday. Number 2, you could create a YouTube channel. Obviously you are on my YouTube channel at the moment. It has some form of affiliate marketing throughout my videos. You could also create a review website. I'm sure you've been looking for a TV or a new games console at some point and you've looked at reviews on the internet. You most probably would have gone to a review website. And then there's other things like social media, Facebook groups and Instagram pages that have built up an audience online over time. And it really is the hardest bit. And that is why I always stress that you should be doing something you enjoy talking about. Now, for me, a massive passion for me is helping people earn incomes online, whether that's they want to quit their full-time job or if they want to earn just a couple of £100 on the side. It's a massive passion for me, and it took actually 6 to 12 months before I actually started seeing any kind of affiliate incomes come into my account. And that was because I just loved doing it. And that is why in the previous steps I have stressed so much that you're going to want to pick a niche that you are passionate and knowledgeable about, because that is going to help you produce quality content and it's going to help you solve people's problems, because that's what you're going to want to do at the start and actually all of the time. The whole point of affiliate marketing isn't there for you to say, okay, buy this product, because people will not do that. You're going to want to solve people's problems first and then make the sales after. So you want to gain their trust, provide honest and transparent content, and then you will naturally make sales pretty much without even asking for it. So they are pretty much the 3 steps. What I'm going to do now is just give you a quick example of an affiliate marketing business. And the example that we're going to use is none other than a YouTube channel called Linus Tech Tips. Now, I've watched Linus Tech Tips for absolutely years. Pretty much all of my camera equipment, all of my computer, anything tech, I've always watched a review from Linus about it. And it's actually quite funny because he actually hates Apple products. And I think he still does anyway. But basically what Linus has done is built up a community, an audience, and now he's got millions of subscribers. But he didn't all just start by saying, right, this is a great computer, you should buy it. He actually built up by solving people's problems. He does reviews, he does how-to videos, and he actually solves a problem. And obviously while he's doing that, he is obviously promoting affiliate links, but people are going there and trusting him because he has become a trusted source of information. So if you want to go and check out the case study just then on Linus Tech Tips, feel free to check out his YouTube channel, but more importantly, check out the descriptions in his YouTube channels just to see what kind of affiliate links he's promoting in there. You'll probably see that he's doing some sponsored posts as well, but we'll get into that in a different video. But that's going to pretty much do it for the video today, guys. They are my 3 steps to just getting started with affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. If you did enjoy this video and you're still here talking to me or listening to me, sorry, then make sure you do subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like the video, because we're going to be doing some more of these type videos in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.